In a not-so-distant past, we talked about the harms of blue light. Did you watch it? Do you know its damages? For how long are you exposed to screens? Do you use your phone and computer a lot? Did you know that all this time in front of screens can accelerate your aging process? According to a study by the University of Oregon, prolonged exposure to blue light emitted by phone and computer screens can affect longevity. And if that wasn't enough, your skin too. In a study where researchers exposed fruit flies to blue light, they discovered that screen exposure can significantly reduce their lifespan. One of the symptoms is aging eyes, which happens due to the wear of the eye muscles, which lose tonus and contract the crystalline responsible for vision. Other symptoms are side effects on the brain and movements. That's scary, isn't it? We decided to make this video since maybe you are one of the lucky ones that can work from home. Perhaps now that you are inside all the time, you aren't thinking about protecting your skin. If you take care of your appearance and skin, you probably do all the steps to have perfect skin. But did you think you would need to protect your skin even when not going out? Did you know that 60% of people spend more than 6 hours a day glued to a screen? According to dermatologists, 48 hours of exposure to a computer screen correspond to almost the same level of exposure to 20 minutes under the midday sun. We will explain why this is bad for your skin. Blue light harms skin regeneration. According to a study conducted by Estee Lauder, blue light affects the natural cycle of skin reparation during the night. Remember our video about how this light affects our sleep? Well, if it is during sleep that our skin recovers and regenerates, beauty sleep, with an irregular circadian cycle, the skin can't complete this task with its full potential. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. It contributes to the premature aging of the skin. Blue light penetrates the epidermis, dermis, and subcutaneous layers where it causes the oxidation of lipids. This accelerates the production of free radicals that harm skin cells. Blue light also degrades the skin enzymes, destroying collagen fibers and reducing their production. It can cause spots. Blue light can trigger changes in the cells responsible for skin pigmentation. The result? Hyperpigmentation and melasma are common among people who spend long periods exposed to blue light, especially when without any protection. And the risk is higher if you have dark skin. If your skin already has spots, they can worsen, and if you don't, they can appear. How to protect the skin against blue light? According to experts, the best way of protecting your skin against blue light is using physical sunscreens, those with zinc oxide in their composition. These have color, which forms a physical barrier against visible light. Another thing that helps a lot is to adjust the colors of your screen depending on the hour. Many apps change your phone's light from blue to yellow-orange, considered friendly to our eyes and skin. Although almost impossible nowadays, consider reducing your phone use before bedtime to maintain your circadian cycle balanced and avoid affecting your sleep and health.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.